Quick update on my Jeep. No work on the Jeep today, Sunday, January 3rd, 2021. And light rain falling off and on. Yeah, so I've been doing a little polishing on these, on this one rim here, just to see how it's going to come out. If I keep the Jeep, I'll probably buy me some new wheels. The polishing or cleaning off of corrosion that's pretty well embedded in the rim, and using a wire brush, that drill with that head on it, cleaners, and even Ajax cleanser. I may end up painting them, I'm not sure, but I'm just experimenting with this right now. My Jeep out. Yeah, it's my Jeep. Got a buddy watching me. A hawk that comes over every once in a while. And this is Monday, January 4th. I got some items in, but not the parts I'm waiting for. Anyway, I just thought I'd take a quick shot of this hawk. Anyway, this is what I'm doing now. I'm jacking up the back end of my Jeep. I'm gonna put stands on it. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get to the rear differential. Hopefully, when I raise it up, the gas tank will be out of the way so I can get to the bolts of the plate. It's otherwise it's very little clearance between the plate, the rear end, and the fuel tank. So we'll see how that goes. I'll update you a little later. My Jeep out. And this is my Jeep update, Monday, January the 4th, second update. And as I said before, I'm fixing to change out the rear differential gear oil. I also put my right front wheel back on. All the wheels, I did some polishing on that one. They got a lot of corrosion and stuff, like you see this one right here. That's what it looked like. And I'm just going to clean them up temporarily. And if I don't buy me a new set of wheels, I'm probably just going to paint them black. They probably look all right. These wheels here cost a lot of money if I replaced them. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm doing back here. I'm trying to get prepared for, I put a lot of plastic down, so I'm trying to get prepared for it. I know there's going to be some oil I'll mess in the gearbox, but as I hoped, jacking it up did get me plenty of clearance. Get it underneath here. Got me plenty of clearance to get to the bolts now. As you can see, before I jacked it up, it was right up against the fuel tank. So any of y'all that's got a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and probably earlier models too, I've seen this on YouTube, many videos. And so when you jack it up on the frame, you can see that I got it jacked up. I got some safeties in place on this rear axle in case it would slip off, because our driveway is slightly going downhill. I've got the front wheels chalked, so because I sure don't want to get messed up by this thing. I'm retired, and I would like to have the next, decade or so injury-free. But anyway, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this plate off. I hope. I'm gonna try anyway. Do a gear oil change, and I've got the correct gear oil with the additive, and I'll be putting that in. I'm not going to do much of a video on this because there are many good videos by experts that you can find out exactly what you need to do, and I'm just using some techniques that I saw from several of them, and I just hope I can get it done. So out for now. I'll update later. Now this is my Jeep. It's still Monday, January 4th, 2021. And I was telling you this is an update. And the last thing I had was that I was going to change out my differential. Rear end, the differential, change the gear oil, and I got the plate off. Most of them advised to move this sway bar, but I left it on. It was a little more trouble, but I was able to get it off. So anyway, I'm gonna do a little cleaning, and I'm not gonna finish this till tomorrow. What I'm gonna do is take some brake cleaner, carb cleaner, about the same I think. Clean it out. Get up under here. Let me get my light. This one here, pressure. That was great. I don't think I got enough to do. I'll probably have to get another can. Can you get the?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, but up underneath here a little bit more. Anyway, I'm doing this. I saw that they suggested to clean this out with brake cleaner. Yeah, tomorrow I'll clean the old gaskets off and put new gasket sealer on. Gasket maker. I got the Ultimate Blue. And that's about all I got of that. Okay, that's a quick update. I'll get back with you tomorrow. My Jeep out.